So you're a personal trainer over 40, you've got great experience, you've got qualifications, and you've got all the skills necessary to get great results for clients, but you're struggling to attract clients into your business that will pay you what you're worth, stick with you long enough so you can get them a great result. Well, if that's you, on Saturday the 15th of November, I'm running a one-day accelerator workshop. What will we be doing on that day? I'm going to be getting you to sit down and take out of your head exactly what you know about fat loss so you can create a high-ticket program to start attracting the clients that will pay you what you're worth, stick with you long enough to help them get great results. If that's of interest to you, simply comment the word info below this video and I'll send you the information so you can join me on the 15th of November, where we're going to, in one day, create your high ticket fat loss program so you can get it launched ready for the start of 2026. Just comment below info.
If you don't come and do something like this, I guarantee that you're going to spend 10 or 15 years trying to do it, getting small ideas and thinking, yeah, I'll try that. If you don't come to something like this, if you don't see it folded out in front of you, you're going to try, but I guarantee that you'll keep slipping up. Just try and think about it in terms of personal training. If your clients try and do it on their own, why do they keep slipping up? Because they don't get that advice. It's exactly the same for us. Coming here just shows it all unfold. It's brilliant.
Fantastic. I would say that you're looking at a trainer that had no ticket. How about that? I had no ticket price. I mean, I really was just giving services out to people. I think going from not being clear to move into a high ticket business, I can market it that way now. Mm-hmm. I would say that every trainer that is serious about really moving their company or their program to the next level need to talk with you and really need to become a part of this program.
If you are looking to offer weight loss sort of within the market, then definitely do this course. There's nothing out there quite like this, and this brings it all together into one standalone package. My advice would be to definitely do it. Absolutely.